Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Choosing between Godot and Unity depends on your project needs and personal learning curve. Godot is open source, lightweight, and uses a Python-like scripting language, making it accessible for beginners. It's particularly well suited for 2D games but is steadily improving in 3D capabilities. Unity, on the other hand, offers a more powerful engine with extensive documentation and a larger community. It's versatile for both 2D and 3D games and provides a more comprehensive asset store. Beginners aiming for professional development or larger projects might lean towards Unity, while those valuing open-source software and ease might prefer Godot.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.